Hey guys, Sarah Gilmore here, and I want to tell you today about an automated money-making system so that way you can go throughout your day like me. I've been cleaning today. I never even have to fix my hair. I really don't have to do a lot. I stay home with my kids and I can make money while the system does the work for me. This system is called the Wi-Fi Wealth System, and it has 3 offers built within it, so 3 streams of income. The main one is step number 2, and that is Motor Club of America. So what you're going to be doing is going through this system, and you can sign up for the offers if you want or not. It is important though that you sign up for Motor Club of America because that's where the main money, most of your money comes in. But your money comes in with all 3 streams, okay? So what you do once you get into the system and you get it all set up and you get all 3 levels activated, you're going to place an ad. It teaches you how to place an ad within the system, completely free training. You place the ad, your offer is put out to a bunch of people, and I mean, there you go. Like, they'll sign up, you'll get your commissions. That's all you do, guys. You'll just place one simple ad. It is so simple, and you can be making money literally while you go throughout your day doing whatever it is you're doing. This is perfect for stay-at-home moms. This is perfect for people who are already working and don't have time to put into an online business, but they need extra money. This is perfect for, guys, anybody, as long as you're 18 and older, because Motor Club of America, you do need to be at least 18, and then you live in the United States or Canada, okay? Obviously, you got to have a smartphone or a laptop or something because this is online. So complete automation at its finest. You'll be checking your emails, seeing that you made some money, and there you go, guys. So go ahead and check out the Wi-Fi Wealth System. It's in the link below my video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I love the support. Like and comment on my videos. And you guys take care. Have a great day. I'm going to keep cleaning my house. I'm going to keep working my business in between and letting my automated system make money for me so I can continue to stay home with my kiddos. Have a great day and make it a good one.